Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two of the most popular premium credit cards in 2025, the Capital One Venture X and the American Express Gold Card. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a foodie, or just someone looking to maximize rewards on everyday spending, this comparison will help you decide which card deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's get started. The Capital One Venture X is Capital One's answer to the luxury travel credit card market. Launched as a more premium version of the popular Venture card, the Venture X offers incredible travel perks, high flat rate rewards, and luxury style benefits at a surprisingly competitive annual fee. It's been gaining traction for travelers who want premium benefits without the ultra premium price tag you typically see with cards like the Amex Platinum. On the flip side, the American Express Gold Card, which is a long-time favorite for food lovers and travelers alike, is a good one. Unlike the Venture X, the Gold Card doesn't try to be a travel card in a traditional sense. Instead, it focuses on rewarding you generously for your day-to-day lifestyle spending, especially on restaurants, groceries, and travel bookings through Amex Travel. So while both cards offer travel benefits, their reward structures and strengths serve slightly different audiences. Venture X leans more into travel flexibility, while Amex Gold shines for everyday lifestyle spending with a luxury feel. Let us talk about the main features of both cards. We start with the Capital One Venture X. It comes loaded with rewards for 2 times miles on all purchases every day. You also get 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Travel, and 5 times miles on flights and vacations rentals that are booked through Capital One Travel. You also get a 75,000 miles early spend bonus when you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. You get a $300 annual travel credit for bookings through Capital One Travel. You also get a $120 global entry or TSA pre-check credit. And you get 10,000 bonus miles, which is equals $100 as an anniversary bonus each year, starting on your first anniversary. How about American Express Gold? You get 4 times points at US supermarkets, and that is on groceries, on up to $25,000 in purchases every year. You also earn 4 times points at restaurants worldwide on up to $50,000 in purchases. You earn 3 times points on flights that are booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com, and you earn 2 times points on prepaid hotels and other eligible travel purchases that are booked through AmexTravel.com. You also earn 1 times point on all other eligible purchases. There's also a welcome offer of 100,000 membership reward points after you spend $6,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of the card membership. Now here is a note that welcome offers vary and you may not be eligible for an offer. Aside from this, you also get $120 Uber cash annually and also $84 Dunkin' credits. It also includes $100 Resi credits. There are also flexible membership rewards that can be transferred to multiple airline and hotel partners. So again, the Venture X favors travelers that are looking for simplicity and luxury perks, while the Amex Gold is designed for high-spending foodies and everyday reward hunters. So what is the pricing like? The Capital One Venture X has a $395 annual fee, but it's effectively offset by the $300 annual travel credits and the 10,000 miles anniversary bonus. So if you travel at least once a year, this card almost pays for itself. Now the American Express Gold Card comes with a $325 annual fee. If you calculate the bonuses you get from the Uber cash and other dining credits, it's also a lot of money. But you can get so much only if you actively use them every month. It's more hands-on compared to the Venture X card. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both cards? Let's start with the pros. For Capital One Venture X, there are great rewards on purchases, huge travel perks with lounge access. The $300 travel credits helps to offset the fee a lot and is great for frequent flyers. And the Amex Gold Pros, generous rewards at restaurants worldwide and US supermarkets. Monthly Uber and dining credits add up. It is great for domestic lifestyle rewards. And membership reward points are highly valuable for transfers. How about the cons? For Capital One Venture X, you get best value only when you book through Capital One Travel. It lacks strong grocery or dining rewards. And it is not as flexible for non-travel users. And for Amex Gold, the credits require monthly tracking, and it has lower value for heavy travelers compared to premium travel cards. So ultimately, your decision comes down to what kind of spender you are and how much effort you're willing to put into optimizing rewards. So which card is better in 2025? Well, if you're a frequent traveler who wants luxury lounge access, a straightforward reward structure, and incredible value with minimal effort, then the Capital One Venture X is hard to beat. However, if you're someone who spends heavily on food, groceries, and occasional flights, and you're willing to actively track monthly credits to get the most value, then the Amex Gold is a lifestyle powerhouse. And that's it on the comparison between the Capital One Venture X and the American Express Gold Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Preferred, Amex Platinum, and Wells Fargo Autograph Journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.